In this video, I'm going to show you how we can take inputs from the user. In previous video, we already assigned the default value to the variable. Let's take an example. If I take an example of string name is equals to, suppose you can take name as Vikas or whatever you want, Vikas. Then I'm assigning this Vikas string value into the name variable by myself. In always, the name is not always Vikas. So we need to change the name, and sometimes we need to take the name from the user input. So how we can take the user inputs? First of all, give the message console.writeLine, and just give some message of how we can take the input. Just you can give the message, please enter your name or whatever you want. Please enter your name. And in second line, we just have to write console.readLine. So it will hold our enter value. It will hold our enter value, and we have to assign this enter value into the variable. And that variable name is known as whatever you can give. My name is my variable name. Okay, my name. And my name is equals to console.readLine, and I just want to print my name, console.writeLine my name. And if I run this code, what will happen? It is running, and it will take some time to run this code. And now you can see the output. Please enter your name. And if I enter my name as Ram or whatever I want, and it shows the output as Ram. In this way, you can take the user inputs, and in another videos, in upcoming videos, we will discuss about the string concatenation, string function, map function, and so many things. Please stay tuned with me. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.